Hey guys, in this video we're going to check if the answers we get from exponential equations are correct. How to check for them. Now these three questions that you see here, the two of them I had solved for you earlier in the previous video. The third equation is very similar to the one that we solved. The purpose here is to see if these answers are correct in the first place. So the answers are given in the box. And so what we do is we take the left side. Okay, so the left side of the equation that we have, the left side is this, 4 to the power of x, 4 to the power of x. So what I now do is I take the x value of 3. X value of 3 is 4 to the power of 3, and I substitute that and I get 64. Now the right side I notice is 64 already. So when I substitute the 3 into the left side, I got 64. The right side value is already 64. The left side value equals the right side value. Therefore, x equals 3 is the correct answer. Let's see how this applies to a more complicated problem like the number 2. Okay, so again, for solving number 2, I'm going to divide the space into left side, right side. And from my left side, I take this. So my left side is 3 to the power of x plus 5. And I'm going to substitute the x, which is 4 plus 5, and that is 3 to the power of 9. Now I take my right side, and my right side is 27 to the power of x minus 1, and that is the same thing as 27 to the power of 4 minus 1, which is 27 to the power of 3. And how do I know that 27 power of 3 is the same thing as 3 to the power of 9? I know from before that 3 to the power of 3 is 27. So now, using the power rule, I multiply those two and I get 3 to the power of 9. So 3 times 3 is 9. So we're going to do the same thing for question number 3 here. Take the left side, take the right side, and see if the left side equals the right side. So take the left side here again. So the left side is 4 to the power of 2n minus 3. So that is the same thing as 4 to the power of 2 times 9 minus 3. 2 times 9 is 18. 18 take away 3 is 15. So I get 4 to the power of 15 on the left side. And let's go to the right side. We have 8 to the power of n plus 1. That's the right side. And so that is equal to substituting the 9 there for the n, and that is equal to 8 to the power of 10. But we can't really compare 4 to the power of 15 with 8 to the power of 10, so we have to do a bit of work here. We know that 2 to the power of 2 is 4. So multiplying those two, I get 2 to the power of 30. And do the same thing on the right side. I know that 2 to the power of 3 is 8. And multiplying 3 times 10, I get 2 to the power of 30. So now we know that the left side equals the right side. Since the left side equals right side, the answer x equals 9 must be the correct answer. And by the way, I forgot to write that for the previous step, so let's complete that. So here again, the question 2, the left side equals right side. Therefore, x equals 4 is the correct answer. See you in the next video.